It's not a pleasant smell. Subjectively speaking, most people do enjoy a campfire smell, but that's not kind of what we're seeing as this smoke travels over a long distance. It changes its chemical form, and actually we see different compounds survive, other compounds don't make the trip. Now here is your wildfire smoke smell explainer and kind of what we have going on. Of course, the wildfires out in Canada, well, they cause a plume of hot air and smoke to rise on up. As that air rises, it gets caught up in the upper levels of our atmosphere. But it doesn't really just stop there. Of course, this smoke, it's got to go somewhere. And we have different forcing mechanisms such as the jet stream, cold front, low pressure systems. All of these things can actually cause the smoke to travel thousands of miles. That's why we're seeing it on repeat here. There aren't really many fires burning in eastern Canada. Majority of them are in western Canada. So the smoke is traveling quite the distance. And the reason why it's smelling so funky is while during the trip, UV radiation, it breaks down many molecules that are responsible for that traditional wood burning scent. So the end result, well, it's not too pleasant. More of a plastic smell, and that's caused by the remaining chemicals as the distant smoke seeps back down to the lower levels. We need some high pressure to get that smoke lowered down so you can smell it in the first place. But what's left over? Benzene, formaldehyde, not some good names there. Typically some hazardous compounds with a long half-life, and of course, that can impact air quality.